Hello there and welcome to Yoga with Andrea's Foundations of Yoga Asana Yoga Poses. Today we are going to be practicing Utthita Parsvakonasana, otherwise known as extended side angle pose. So this is a standing posture. So we're going to begin standing facing the long side of your mat, and we'll step the feet apart about a leg distance. So begin with the outside edges of the feet parallel, the hands at the hips, and an upright quality to the spine here, with the crown of the head reaching up as you anchor down and root down through the feet. From here, to come into the posture, we're going to turn our right foot out so that the toes are pointing to the short edge of the mat, and turn your left toes in about at a 45-degree angle. We're looking for stability through both legs. Checking down for a little bit of heel to arch alignment, so heel of the front foot in line with the arch of the back foot, and the hips and pelvis nice and steady. As you exhale, you're going to bend into your right knee, so the right thigh becomes parallel to the floor, knee above the ankle. From here, with that steady base of the pelvis, you're going to take a deep inhale and firm the lower abdomen in and up. Checking that that front knee is in line with the middle toes of that right foot and no further. You can step the feet a little further apart for a deeper, more intense stretch. And as you exhale, extend the arms into warrior two, arms, palms facing down. From this position, we're going to lower the right forearm to the inside of the right thigh and bring that left palm to the hip. Extend your upper body over the right leg and sweep that left palm up and overhead. Bringing it alongside the left ear. Turn your palm so that you're bringing the little finger side of your hand to face the floor. Extend from the outside of the left heel through the left fingertips and revolve the rib cage up towards the ceiling. If your neck allows, you can look up from underneath the left armpit towards the sky, or look down if that's more comfortable for the neck. You can hold this breath, this pose even, anywhere from 5 to 15 breaths. Keeping that breath steady and smooth. For a deeper, more intense stretch, you can lower the fingertips to the inside of the front ankle, or use a brick to bring the floor up to you. Checking that you've got a nice long line from the outside of that back foot to the hip, all the way through to the fingertips. To come out of this pose, press actively into your feet, and on an inhalation, strongly extend through the left arm as you come back up to straight. And we reverse the direction of the feet to practice the same pose, the same asana, on the other side. So as you settle in, it's worth bearing in mind that we need to keep pressing the floor away with both feet to find a sort of lightness in the spine. So again, use a block or a brick underneath the hand to bring the floor up to you, or rest your forearm on your thigh if it helps. Utthita Parsvakonasana has a great range of benefits, including that it strengthens and stretches the ankles, the legs and the knees, increasing flexibility in the shoulders and working the core muscles. Thank you for practicing Yoga Foundations with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now. Namaste.